In this final lesson of sheet metal certification preparation, we are going to discuss some items you need to review and some hands-on practice you can complete before taking the advanced sheet metal certification exam. This is a list taken directly from the Solidworks certification webpage. These are the skills the Solidworks certification team is telling you need to know in order to be successful in passing this exam. If you find after reviewing this list you are not confident in an area or two, please return to the appropriate Infinite Skills lessons and review those items, and then go into Solidworks and try them out. In my experience, the main difficulty I see people having with the sheet metal exam is being able to complete the 15 problems within the 90 minutes. For the average user, this exam will definitely test your ability to complete all the problems within the allotted time. As far as additional practice, Solidworks provides a sample sheet metal exam. In order to view the exam, we must first go to the Solidworks website. On the Solidworks homepage, we will hover above Support and then select Certification. I am then going to scroll down to Sheet Metal, select Sheet Metal, and you see we have a sample sheet metal exam. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. A PDF file opens, and I will size it down so it's a bit easier to see. And notice on the first page, we are given directions for how to prepare for the exam and how to set up your computer. On the second page, we are given a sample part that we will be creating in the sheet metal environment. And then we will be given a number of questions giving us values for A, B, C, and D. And if I go back to the previous page, you will see the values on the drawing. As we scroll through the test, you will see some additional questions, and then the sample test concludes with answers and hints. I recommend that you go through this sample test carefully and make sure that your answers match up with the answers given here. I am confident between the Infinite Skills lessons, this review, and the Solidworks practice exam, you will be successful in passing the sheet metal certification exam.